it's Shesyourfave. If you are a returning subscriber, so happy to have you back. And in today's video, we will be showing you this gorgeous unit from Alipearl here. This wig is actually a 30-inch deep wave wig unit. It is a 13 by 6 inch lace frontal wig in 250 density, and this is what I did with it. I decided to go for a very clean, mature, natural girl bust down middle part. The bust down middle part gives all the pizzazz it needs, and I fear I ate because girl, this is so flat, so seamless. I'm living for the lace blend, the texture. I'm not a deep wave girl, but this texture is so tea, it don't even make no sense. And I just decided to do something simple, easy, and clean. If you'd like to see how I did this quick and easy install, don't forget to keep on watching. Check the description box if you'd like the direct link to this gorgeous unit from Alipearl. And when I tell you we ain't used no glue, you might think I'm lying, but there's no glue on this unit. It is 100% glueless. I'm gonna go ahead and shove my tweezer up under there, and as you can see, it stays because it's no glue. All you have to do is just pat it back in or use some hairspray and just dab that, and you're good to go. I can't believe this unit is glueless and it fits perfect to my head. So nice and snug. Enough of me rambling because I've done enough chatting for this video. I gave a very detailed review in the end, so stay tuned for that. And let's jump into today's tutorial so I can show you how to get your Alipearl unit looking just like mine. fully dried down. I did a bit of blow drying and then I allowed it to air dry. This is what we're giving. I'm sitting on a cushion so that you guys can see the hair. It's full length, and honestly when I put it to the back it grazes my butt, like my mid butt. So if you were wondering, I'm 5'2" and this hair is extremely long. I love how long the hair is on the frontal piece. You always find that you will get like a 20-inch or an 18-inch on a longer length wig, but the ratio of the lengths is pretty good when comparing the frontals from other wigs to this wig is concerned, and when comparing the length of this to this is perfect. I feel like it's a very nice natural blend. It almost gives like a layered effect without the heavy layers, which I love. I don't like to cut curly hair, and I feel like sometimes it comes out cute, but girl, ain't nobody got time for that. I just want to put this middle part bust down in and you think it's mine, whether it's curly or straight. So this hair from Alipearl is actually in 250 density, and this is actually extremely thick and extremely lightweight. I love that about their wigs. Their wigs are never super heavy. I've felt some 250 density wigs and it's giving neck crick because what? But this on the other hand, super lightweight, easy going. I can easily just pull it up and pin it, and boy, I don't feel the weight, and I don't feel worried that the wig is gonna shift back because of the weight. It's very lightweight and it's so cute. You can do a numerous amount of lazy girl hairstyles with this unit. You don't never have to do too much, and this 13x6 parting space allows for this wig to be extremely flat and for it to be super versatile in regards to styling. So I can do half up, half downs. I can do a whole bunch of updos with this hair and it still looks super natural, and I'm living for the lace melt and blend. I think this is a perfect match and it just melts right in with my skin. I love everything about Alipearl's laces and wigs. The hair is super soft and I did not experience that much shedding. I didn't pluck this wig. Came pre-plucked, pre-bleached and pre-parted, and this is the shedding I got from the wig because this is the only brush I used, and I cannot believe, can you see this? Do you see how little and see-through transparent this is? This ball of hair is probably like this much hair. And I think that's crazy because compared to a lot of other wigs, curly wigs tend to shed a lot, and this one is not doing that, so I love that. Kudos to Alipearl for coming through with good quality, good prices, and just great lace. If you'd like to know more info about the specs of this hair, definitely check the description box. It will be coupon codes, the direct link to this wig, and Alipearl's websites and socials. Don't forget to check out my TikTok. I posted a TikTok with this unit, and boy oh boy, I fear I ate. But thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one.